Good morning. A good morning. A good morning. It's Chuck. It's Chuck for options. A good morning. Yo. So yesterday, so yesterday I didn't set my alarm. I thought my alarms were already set because on the weekend, I don't know why. Well, I turn them off on the weekend, but I shouldn't have to because I have them automated. So I am just so disgusted because I wanted to be on so bad yesterday. And the thing is, I woke up at 9:41. So I could have still jumped on the stream, but it was like, let me focus on like the market, Like, I'm sorry. So I really had to make an executive decision, and I had to focus on the trades because like it was like so incredible yesterday. Trading was like really, really, really good yesterday. So I had to take advantage of that. And I didn't think streaming was really going to be um that important uh compared to what was going on. And I also didn't think I was going to stream for that long. Well, yeah, because I was going to trade for the day. But yeah, I guess I could have gotten on, but yeah. But anyway, yeah. So yesterday was like incredible. If you traded yesterday, then you definitely know what was going on. Um, um, I've been finding some really really good opportunities in the market. Now usually I would only focus on um I would only focus on SPY. And for months and months, I focused on nothing, but SPY and trading SPY. But we are definitely uh are under different trading uh markets or trading where different trading conditions. These aren't the standard trading conditions, that we're in, so there's incredible opportunities that I have been finding and trading in, and it's been like really nice. So we're going to keep paying attention to that. I updated today. I didn't stream yesterday, so I didn't put in those numbers. These numbers are off too, so I think I deleted them. Yeah, we didn't have anything there. But today, Wednesday, 4:15. Welcome to Chuck for Options. I'm Chuck. We have our pre-market highs and lows um right here. What else? We can update. So, like I said, I'll let you know some of the contracts I've been dealing with. I've been playing some meta. Man, these Nvidia contracts have been like absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I've been playing some Microsoft. I think today though we're going to definitely pay attention to some Nvidia. We're going to pay attention to some Iran. I've been paying attention to the software sector. It's been really nice. I've been following it on the way down and up with a CrowdStrike. I think I was that was on like Monday. I was streaming that on Monday or like Friday or something like that. But I figure it's been taking such a big beating that it was going to turn around, and it did exactly that. So they've been really nice. We've been trading Spy too. Spy's been pretty nice. Um I think still kind of the bread and butter when it comes to technical trading, because we there's still some technicals that we can still follow, although it's just been fate in the gapping up, so I mean, like, that's pretty easy. But with the war, he's just going to tackle the war. He can't have the market go down during the war. I was in hibernation mode because the market wasn't going anywhere for a while, and I just wasn't going to just stay up through that. You know, I didn't expand during that time with trading other tickers, but I think the whole market was actually kind of stale. So I figured let me catch up on some sleep, then I can uh just be focused better all around in life. Um, so I'm happy that uh I did that. All right, so I guess we can probably update this. We got some Microsoft, we got some Meta. Yeah, it's been nice. I already got my drink mix. Hey, Simba. Hey, big guy. Good morning. Good morning. I see you hanging out with Pops. I hope he's not giving you table food. Brandon be giving you table food. He's healthy. Look at my little guy. He's getting big. He's so big. Oh, don't knock over my drink. Why you want to go that way? Out of all the ways. Like, are you serious? That's that salty but sweet. What are you? You're scaring me, kid. You really are. You really are scaring me, kid. All right. What do we have? Boom, boom. All right. I don't have Tuesday's range. I don't even have Monday's range. What was I? I think I was like so busy Monday. All right, Meta's dropping down a couple dollars. We want to keep an eye on that. All right, it's 9:23. All right, I'm gonna see what news is out there. I can probably update this list for you in a second. Man, yesterday was so sick. Oh my god, Monday was sick too. And Monday and Tuesday was pretty nice. So over like the past like month, taught me a little bit more about option contracts. Oh my gosh, and the PDT rule is going to be nice. Oh my god, this PDT rule. It's going to be a while for it to hit, but when it comes, man, sheesh. Because I stopped using margin years ago. Years and years and years and years ago, I stopped using margin. Time is at 26. So I have some ideas. There we go. Yeah, Meta's running. Yeah, so we want to make sure we want to jump on some Meta contracts. Um, all right, let's actually open this bad boy up. I ran circle, Nvidia. Who's pumping Tesla? Who's who's pumping Tesla? All right, so this is everything I'm holding right now. I thought I had some Microsoft. I let those go. I think I let those go. No, there they go. Yeah, that's all I have. What is expirations? The 20th. I'll take that. 20th. And I have some expiring then, and then some back there. Um, 17. Oh wow. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Isn't this growth? Isn't this growth? All right. It's 29. All right. It's 29. All right. Good luck. Those matters. Man, those Nvidias. Sheesh. I really want to see what that puppy is going to be right now. Man, I want to see what this puppy is going to be right now. We got our usual drink, Red Bull, water ice. I fried up some plantains last night, so we got a nice little snack. I have to make another one of them sandwiches, and Jones were good. Had a late dinner, but let's get it. Let's go. Already. Already. All right, they were nice. All right, we have a little gap. I think they're going to eat that gap. If they're going to go, they're going to go. There's Meta. Meta's taking off. Hey, guy. I'm liking them. What is that? Nvidia. Yep, that Nvidia. Yep, yep. That Nvidia is really nice. Hey, what? Oh, that's what you're going for. I'm like, what is he going for? He's going for his catnip. Alright. And those Microsofts are doing really well right now too. Oh, those are still up too. Look at that. Alright, so that's good. We're gonna keep those. And it's good that these puppies. Wait, what are you doing right now? Yeah, okay, I thought so. Oh yeah. Okay. I forgot. I wanted I think it was these I wanted to look at. Wow. I have Nvidia calls up 500% right now. Okay, here they go. These are what I was looking for. Wow, these puppies are still nice. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, my Microsoft calls. Is that real? Did this thing really go up that much? Hmm. Yeah, Microsoft still making their move I think Meta hit their pre-market high. The SPY is breaking out. Yeah, those irons are still nice. The circles are nice. I got rid of the NVIDIA on the high. And how are those SPY to go to SPY calls? All right, so we can also look for, I'm looking for a mild, we can have a mild pullback, mild pullback today. So I really wouldn't be too bullish. Looks like Meta is cooling off. How much do I have in this? All right, I don't got nothing. Okay. All right, I shaved those contracts yesterday. All right, we're gonna see what Meta does. You're gonna follow Meta close. I thought I had more in Meta, but I don't. Oh no, this is all-time high right here. This is the box. Okay. So this is top of the box. So this is the big box actually. This is the top end of the big box. So this is the overall market box rather than the daily box that we made this months ago. All right, there's Meta filling the gap. All right, everything. All right, that's a gap there. It's definitely gapped up too. How come we can't see this gap? Yeah, I'm happy I saw that in video. Huh, nice. Huh. All right, Microsoft's still taking off. time is it? 9:49. All right, we just gotta wait. Let's see what's gonna pop. The Microsofts. The Microsofts are doing really good. Oh, what is Oracle doing? Oracle is going stupid right now. We just got really good news. United States and Iran has agreed to meet. Okay, good, good, good. I'm about to say, I was hoping I gave myself time on those. I did. Awesome. NVIDIA. Wow, very shallow. Ran that back up. Bounce off the gap. Meta. I bought some of those. All right. Now we want to look for something that's going to break out. We need a good breakout trade now. Oh, these oracles just spiked. Oh my God. These oracles just did something crazy. Wow. I missed out on that. I didn't even know these had contracts like that. That's crazy. That's interesting. Why would they do that to a stock like that? That's that's crazy. That's actually quite modest. We're good with that. Today, Oracle's taking off. Wow, look at Meta. Look at that. Look at what they did to Meta. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oracle's way off the highs. All right. All right, 9:58. I'll stay on until like maybe I'll say about maybe like Oh my gosh, because usually the action doesn't even happen. The magic doesn't even happen until like 2 o'clock. Oh my gosh. 2 o'clock, 3, 1:30. The magic happens when I get off. Like so I just like set it up. But usually when I get off, that's when like everything is like taking off, taking off. My God. Like my stuff take off. It takes off now, but the market does what it does and then I get off and then it pops. Quito's up 2. B didn't do anything. Iron, no. Circles down. App 11's getting love. Minor pullback. Everything had that pullback. Nebius, SNDK down lower, but SNDK is on a rampage. My God. Oh, what a short. What a freaking short. Well, not that crazy. But how much would you bet on that going down? My God. Yeah, Oracle's taking off. Oracle's up 6%, 5%. Reddit up 4, Zoom up 4, but Zoom been taking a beating. Tesla's up 2. Yeah, Tesla's up 2. Meta's up 2. Microsoft up 3. Hey, there we go, baby. There they go. Yeah, Microsoft going off right now. Yeah, Microsoft going off today. Microsoft might just be the play. Everything else is dragging. Yeah, Microsoft going off. So now we gotta wait for the market to decide if we're going to hit. Was that the gap? I guess we did get. I guess that was the gap. This faded gap. This was on like this is on a legendary run. So when that breathes, just let that breathe, and then I think it's gonna start ramping up again. Yeah, those Microsofts are nice. Hood open. Oracle's moving. There, he's a little bit heavier. Meta, Nvidia. All right, Apple is spiking. Yeah, that's huge. That's huge on SanDisk. Yeah, I said the same thing. I haven't had anything like breakout. The Microsoft was good, but the Microsoft was overnight. They were held from overnight. And they can take some of that money out of SanDisk and put into the broader market. SanDisk is up like 25,000% this year. Like incredible. I remember seeing it a couple months ago at like I think it was at like four something. SPY can potentially break out here. Go through all-time high. All-time high is 35. It says that we hit it. I thought we were actually 697. I thought 697 was all-time high. Well, it says that we hit all-time high today. You know, we can go through it. That's price discovery above it because it's all-time high. So that can be interesting. So we can actually hit like 702. We can actually just say 700. We can hit 700. That'd be kind of crazy. That'd be kind of incredible. That's Adobe. Microsoft, that's crazy. Yeah, we're going to hit all-time highs today. Well, we already hit all-time high actually. Technically, we already hit it. It was just a blow off top. Look at Microsoft. Look at freaking Microsoft. Look at this SPY. Mm. App 11 is still moving. Oh my God, SPY. Oh my God. Okay. Microsoft still pushing. Nvidia is strong. Nvidia about to hit 200. SPY's 697.94 is all time high. I thought so. I thought it was something like that. I didn't think 96. Gemini says 698.22 is all-time high. It's the top end of the box of the big box. We're approaching at 10:30. All right, I got out of the Microsoft. I'm gonna let some of the other ones hang. SPY is breaking through. All right, that's the 10:30. And 697.03. All right. Oh, okay. Let's go down here and clean this stuff up. 15.51. So I should. Whoa. Wow. So they were actually really good. Expiration 5-1. So we want to be careful with the expirations 5-1. So we want to go out further. Okay, so now we want to maybe start working with these expirations because we're in the middle of this week. All right, got it. So what would they look like? First, the 8th, 15th, that's the following week. But April 24th, 24th, 27th. So Monday and Friday expirations. What happened to the VIX? But these metas went off. These metas absolutely went off. And even then, these were on 5-1s. 5-1. And then 8 and 15. 8 and 15. I didn't even know I can do that. 24, 27. Friday, Monday. Whoa, UVIX going up and SPY going up? What? 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 What is this? 1 minute, right? Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. What is this? Look at this spike. But SPY isn't reflecting that. This is whacked. That's crazy. All right, so we want some really safe plays past. Wow, Nvidia want to hit 200. Nvidia is going to hit 200. So this is a good one. Oh, I marked that one for a reason too. Yeah, we want that. Yo, look at the UVIC spiking. I don't know what this means. I'm really lost on that. Oracle's still up 6%. Apple Loving up 5%. Wow, double top. Bloom is still moving. Damn, 2% today. There it go, right there. Look at that. Hmm. Oh gosh. That thing is selling off, boy. Sheesh. Oh, Oracle. When is Oracle's earnings? Damn, 11 crept up quick, boy. Because I know it's going to take off. $200 million wall. They are all spoof walls. Once you start to ask, it disappears. Tomorrow open below 190 as it's overbought near term. What's going on with Oracle? Let me zoom out a little bit. We could go. I don't know. This is kind of. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So it definitely is oversold. I'm like, what the hell's going on over here? Wow. Let's see how much higher that run up. Call him a lizard. We're gonna see what this candle is. We'll see how bad this candle retraces. Because if they're gonna blow stops, you would think it would blow just a little bit more. All right, SPY looks like it wants to break out, attacking all-time highs, attacking high today. That's kind of nice. All right, yep. Blowing through those stops. There it go right there. Buying up that Oracle. Wow, what a move at Oracle. Because that was looking bearish as hell. That was looking so bearish for Oracle. When's Oracle's earnings? June 10th. So just wow. It doesn't have too much to go. This was high day, 172.29. It's a buck 10 off. You know, Oracle's coming right on back. Wow, chewing up all those stops. So that was a bear trap. They trapped the bears with all this. Made it look really bearish because I was looking at it. I'm like, man, that thing is bearish. All right, so we're gonna see how much. The thing is, after this resolve, we want to see how much this retrace and bottom out at. You know, is it going to bottom out on the top end or the low end of this particular range here? Mm. Wow, what a bear trap. That's crazy. This could create a mini gamma squeeze because now they're selling puts and buying calls. It's the put selling that creates the gamma squeeze. I did open up a put at the top of this range on SPY. You just want to have something sitting up there. Because that is the top of the range for today and top of the range. Because that's the top of the box. So if there's a better time to have a put, it's definitely right there. That Oracle flip is crazy. That Oracle flip is crazy. They was not letting Oracle go. That's crazy. That is crazy. Yo. Yo. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is strong. That is strong. I mean, look, have they, yeah, no, it hasn't been this strong. I guess they've done something like this before. We got the run up, we got the cool down, brought it down, then the strong reverse. Yeah, that's a bear trap. Trapping in the bears, trapping in the bears, giving him some honey, giving him some more honey. And this is the sheesh. That's the reverse. All right, so we're gonna probably chill here for a couple hours and then make the next move up. Um, although I do have puts, protective puts, you still just gotta be careful. Whoa, Oracle. That's institution. That's the institution. That's institutional buying. Is anyone else looking at Oracle? That's crazy. That's the institution right there, boy. Let me see. Let's see what they're saying about this, because this is kind of extremely bullish. And that wasn't 13 minutes. That was a sick move. And that is why you watch things. Man, that's why you watch things. Damn. Damn. That's money. That is money, boy. My goodness. I will take it. Sheesh. I am here for it. All right, here we go. We're looking for the breakout on SPY. What time is it? 11:02. We'll see if this thing is going to break out within the next couple minutes. Between SPY, NVIDIA hit 200, then this is definitely going to break out. Those Microsoft's killing it. All right, here go the Oracle. Let's see what's going on with Oracle. Tesla's up 5%. Damn. Oh wow. Wow. Incredible. Incredible. Wow. I did not expect. Of course not. Of course you don't expect that. Oh my God. Of course you don't expect that. Ah. And still going up. Incredible. Did I bottom tick this bitch? I bottom ticked this motherfucker too. Oh my God. This apple out of nowhere. This thing's up over 500%. That's so sick. That's so sick. You see if this is real money. Yep, real money. So sick. Oh, that's what that is. Wow. Mm, that's what that is. Incredible. Wow. Wow. That's okay. 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 That's it. That's so sick. Oh, that's so sick. Yep. 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 I'm doing the right thing. Wait. Let's go back there and study. So we have, and it's something I wasn't even looking for, but 17, 2022. So these have 3-day expirations. But even then, that was, hmm, interesting. Yeah, it was right there. Interesting. Hmm. When was that? That was all throughout this right here. Wow. Incredible. Incredible. I'm really happy that I did that. Uh, we can take a look at something else. That was really cool. That was really cool. I wish. I guess I can look back and see what time. What time I. Okay, that's the one right there too. That's so interesting. I wish I had more weight into that. That would be. Let's not cut myself off at the legs. Yeah, we gotta wait. All right, so the good thing, I have a lot of expirations a month from now. Give us some time, but we've seen some really nice pumps. But we got the peace talks. We're teetering on all-time highs. We're gonna explode up soon. It's gonna be an explosion. But we gotta wait. All right, I think I'm gonna wait. What? Oh no, no, no. I thought that was the other thing. I wanted to say. I was about to say. Um. Oh wow, we're up on this. We're gonna be up, up. Oh, look at this pie. Yep, there it go right there. And then they're attacking. Yep, I thought so. We had to break through that 97. Yep, yep, yep. We're about to make the crazy move. Big T's on NVIDIA. Upstuck. I was thinking of a word. I'm upstuck on some of these contracts. I'm upstuck. That means I'm up on the total, but I might be down a little for the day on the contract. And that's on some of them spread around, you know. Ugh. Mm. I didn't touch no Tessie. What is this? Yeah, 6% on the top end, going to 7%. Mm. App 11 is sitting on 5.7%. All right, Apple could be reversing. Huh. Huh. I still made out. Interesting. That's only on a breakout. But I think hmm, hmm. I think that's the play. Damn. Even if I was late as hell right now, I can net positive. Because I would be 7 minus 3. I'm still making $1. That's the best way to do the spread if you're gonna do something like that. Okay. So A plus B plus 1. A plus B plus 1 equal um um uh A A plus B plus 1 equals uh net plus spread, and that's going to give you um but sometimes that's skewed. You're not going to be able to find something so delta neutral. But even then, you don't even want delta neutral plays. But that spread is just going to go into your spread. That's why it has to go XX. It just can't be a number. And then that's just going to be your choice. So you have to just go in and define that a little bit more closer to. Here's Apple. All right, so we have a wall. It looks like we have a wall up here. Um, but we already had the breakout. If I didn't see that, oh my God. If I didn't catch that. I bought for 3, sold for 18. 18 minus the insurance goes down to 15. So I net $15 from that play. No, yeah, $12. Or I guess $9 if you want to get technical. Take out how much I paid for it, another 3. In order to be profitable, you have to go A plus B plus 1. Hood is going crazy right now. I think I'm gonna say that for later. This was crazy. How do we spike, but we don't go down over here on the SPY? That's incredible. That's incredible. I don't think I've seen that. I should probably document that. I'm going to document that. This is edging higher. This wants to break through the 200 range. Wants to break through that 200 range. It sucks. I missed his hoodie move. I missed his hoodie move. Damn. Damn. I think took off today. I think did 10% today. That's crazy. 9%. That's incredible. 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 What the heck? Sick move, sick move, sick move. What do I want to look at? Hoodie. Let's get those hoodie contracts. I didn't touch any hoodie. Sadly enough. Good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 800, 400, 900%, 800%, 650%. Yeah, so this is why you have to come into these other to these because they open up these contracts and they gave them extra expiration dates. So now you have 0 dates on single stock. So expiration 17, 17, 24, first 8. So hoodie doesn't have week. I mean dailies. 15, 22, 15, 22. Okay. Damn, this is moving off of these. Oh my god. Well, you find that breakout. You find that breakout, boy. 920. 930 though. You buy. Sheesh. You gotta look out for those breakouts. I wish I would have found hoodie. Wish I would have found hoodie. That Apple wasn't even on my list, but I got your ass now. Look at Oracle breaking out. Look at Oracle breaking out. Higher day. 172.56. That's crazy. I just looked at those contracts. Those contracts went up. Those contracts are looking nice, actually. There you go. You was looking crazy a minute ago. Yeah, all that was looking crazy. Whoa. doing over here? Microsoft taking a breather. Make sure we pay attention to everything that needs to be paid attention to. It's Monday, right? Monday. What time is it? 11:32. All right, I stayed on way longer than I was supposed to. All right, I gotta get out of here. Um, I know it's gonna go crazy today. I know, but I gotta go right now. I will be on tomorrow. I'll check you guys out.